one.
It's a bus. Hi guys.
See?
I'm the jumping. I'm Default.
GRO daw ako, like prostitute daw ako, guys. Hindi naman daw ako si Ivana Alawi. Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. It is currently 4 o'clock ng hapon and Daddy Mike and I are having our snacks. Our baby girl is currently sleeping. She's having a nap now and I think mga half an hour na siguro na natulog si Paris. And ngayon ay yung gagawin ni ate nyo ay magkakape. Yes, magkakape sa ate nyo sa hapon, guys. And if you can see outside, guys, it is horrible. Pakita ko nga sa inyo. Tingnan niyo sa labas, oh. Sobrang mahangin and very dark. Hindi pa siya umuulan, but the weather forecast sabi na uulan ngayong gabi. But tingnan niyo, oh. Kaya hindi kami lumabas ni Baby Paris today. Dito lang kami sa loob ng bahay. Pero si Daddy Mike ay walang makakapigil sa kanya. Pumunta siya ng garage namin, nag-gym siya. Tapos dun sa sa front yard lang ba, nag-workout si Daddy Mike. Pero ako hindi. Kami ni Paris ay nagtupi, naglinis-linis dito sa bahay ng konti. Ayan, magkakape na ako ngayon. Tingnan nyo. Merong Nescafe na instant coffee, sugar, tapos Coffee Mate. Hindi talaga mawawala ang Coffee Mate sa akin, guys. Tapos nag-boil na ang ating tubig. At pagpasensyahan nyo na ang aking pants, guys. Tingnan nyo. Nakapajama pa si ate nyo kasi sobrang ginaw talaga. Kaka-off nga lang ni Daddy Mike ng aming heater. Tapos yung gusto daw ni Daddy Mike ay yung yogurt. So, gawa natin siya. Ayan. So, ito yung ito yung yogurt niya, oh. Ayan. Tapos, may nilagay na rin ako sa oven natin for Paris. Para mamaya, pagkagising niya, may masingab-singab siya ba? Ayan. Iba kami ng type ni Daddy Mike kasi tingnan nyo, sa kanya maginaw, yung sa akin ay mainit. Kaya, perfect combination talaga. Perfect partner. Ayan. Yeah. Tapos, gusto daw niyang palagyan ng anong tawag dun? Blueberries. It's enough. Itong blueberries na frozen. Alam nyo guys, yung tap water namin, hindi pa siya pwedeng inumin unless iboboil mo siya. So, kahapon, diba, nakita nyo, I don't know if I showed it sa video, pero bumili kami ni Daddy Mike ng mga bottled water para hindi mo na kami inom ng tap water ba. So, here's mine. Yan ang ating kape and yung yogurt with blueberries for Daddy Mike. What do you say?
Thank you. Thank you.
So, kami ngayon sa couch, pa-chill-chill lang habang natutulog ang aming baby girl. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Did you like your yogurt that I prepared for you?
How did you do it? It was so nice.
Yeah. But I just want to say thank you everyone sa positive feedback nyo sa aming Q&A with Daddy Mike the other day.
Yeah, thanks everyone. I really enjoyed reading all the comments.
Yeah, binabasa niya talaga lahat, guys, yung mga comments niyo. Kaya maraming salamat talaga. Na-enjoy niya. Yeah. He is having fun reading all your lovely comments. However, ako yung nasaktan, guys. May isa kasing nag-comment dun sa video na yun, guys. Hindi nyo aakalain na yun talaga yung parang na-notice niya sa video na yun instead of like listening to, you know, like Mike and I with our question and answer portion. Alam nyo, guys, yung sinabi niya, GRO daw ako, like prostitute daw ako, guys. Kasi dahil sa suot ko. So, kung nakita nyo naman talaga, di ba yung suot ko black na top? Of course naman, guys, na parang minsan lang kami mag-sit down video ni Daddy Mike. Gusto ko rin parang makita na parang ang tawag dito, parang presentable din ako, ganyan. Kasi pag dito sa bahay, yung mga vlogs namin, yung sinusuot ko, yung mga shirts lang and all, very simple lang ba? Pero kasi sa video na yon, I treated that video as special video kasi, di ba, first time namin na mag-Q&A with Daddy Mike. Very happy ako kasi pumayag si Daddy Mike na mag-Q&A kami. And yeah, I was just very happy that day, guys. Tapos sobrang na heartbroken talaga ako sa comment ni ate, guys, na GRO daw ako kasi sa suot ko. Sabi pa niya na hindi naman daw ako si Ivana Alawi para ganun yung suot ko. Sa isip ko ba, bakit si Ivana Alawi lang ba yung may karapatan na magsuot ng mga sexy na mga damit? Hindi ba pwede kasi nanay na ako? Yun din yung sabi niya na kasi nanay na daw ako, hindi daw good example na ganun yung suotin ko. But I'm very happy, guys, kasi sa lahat naman ng nag-comments doon, siya lang naman talaga yung negative talaga na nag-comment about sa suot ko. Mostly sa inyo ay nagsabi na you know, you like the video, you like how Daddy Mike answered the questions, that I look beautiful in my top, yung ganun. Pero siya talaga, guys, hindi niya talaga napansin yung mga question and answer namin ni Daddy Mike. Yung pinansin niya lang talaga ay yung damit ko. Kaya, yeah, nasaktan lang talaga ako, guys, kasi hindi ko akalain na masasabi yun ng kapwa mo Pilipino ba, na super negative lang talaga na instead of maging happy sa video namin, sinabi niya na GRO ako, prostitute ako. Pero hindi ko na-replyan yung comment niya, guys. Hinart ko na lang kasi sabi ko naman sa inyo na pag nabasa ko na yung mga comments nyo, hina-heart ko. So, hindi na ako nag-reply kahit na masama yung loob ko kasi ayoko nang pahabain pa, guys. Parang i-end ko na lang doon ba. But yeah, hindi ko pala sinabi kay Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike yung nagsabi sa akin kasi sabi ko naman sa inyo, diba, na binasa talaga lahat ni Daddy Mike yung mga comments nyo. Kahit hanggang ngayon, chinecheck niya pa rin yung mga comments. Kasi gusto lang niyang malaman kung anong feedback ng video namin na yun. Pero siya yung nagsabi sa akin na may nagsabi daw ng ganito, ng ganyan. And yeah, so what's your thoughts about that, Daddy? She said, I'm a prostitute for wearing that.
Well, I think that she's a moron who hides behind her keyboard. Yeah, look, anyone that types behind the keyboard like negative things, you know, generally they've probably got a miserable life, and yeah, maybe it makes them feel better about themselves, but yeah, to me it's pathetic. Like, if you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all. And I guarantee you probably wouldn't have the balls to say it in person anyway. So, anyway, block. See you later. Ciao.
Sinasabi sa akin ni Daddy Mike na hindi ko na lang daw basahin yung mga comments. Pero, alam niyo, guys, sabi ko naman kay Daddy Mike na hindi pwede kasi 99%, well, 99.9% ng mga comments ay positive naman galing sa inyo. Kaya, very happy ako kasi kahit na nababasa ko yung comment na ganon, at least after that, meron na namang mga positive comments na dumarating galing sa inyo. Kaya, parang na-override yung negative comments na natatanggap ko. Kasi nasasaktan talaga ako, guys. Like, seriously. Sabi ko naman sa previous video ko before na tao lang din naman kaming mga nagba-vlog. And pag may masasakit na salita kaming natatanggap galing sa inyo, of course, nasasaktan kami. Pag constructive criticism naman, okay lang sa akin yun. Pag may nagsabi na, just like before, may nagsabi na, yung ano ko daw, i-refrain ko daw yung paggamit ng word na guys, kasi palagi daw akong nag-guys, annoying daw, ganyan-ganyan. Pag ganyan na mga comments, okay lang sa akin, kasi parang nakaka-improve ba sa akin. Sinasabi ko, nagre-reply ako ng ganyan na, I'm doing my best, ganito, tapos I've been better since then, yung mga ganun na pag-reply ko. Kasi, wala naman, hindi ako nasasaktan sa mga ganyan. Kasi I know from that comment, parang ang tawag dito, nai-improve ako, nade-develop yung aking pagba-vlog. Pero pag ganito na yung mga comments, guys, na you're a prostitute, hindi ka naman si Ivana Alawi, bakit yan yung suot mo? parang ano naman, parang below the belt na talaga yung mga ganyan. Kaya, yun lang guys. But sa mga tao na nakaka-appreciate sa akin, sa aming pagbablog, sa aming mga videos, maraming salamat talaga sa inyo guys. Kayo yung dahilan kung bakit hanggang ngayon laban pa rin kami, laban pa rin tayo sa ating mga vlogs. And yeah, I truly appreciate your lovely comments. Kaya, thank you. And that's all. Thank you. It's now 5:30 guys. Gisingin na natin ang ating baby girl. Paris, Nicole. Paris, Nicole. Hello, anak. Wake up na, anak. Uy, 5:30 na, anak. Papa. Komportable yung tulog niya dito ba? Kasi yung heater natin, tingnan niyo, oh. Kaya warm siya dito sa loob. Baby girl. Shush. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. Shush. Hello. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Shush, shush. Wait, wheel. Wait, wheel. Labig girl naman kay kanak. Oy, bayag nak. Shush, kam tamamali. Dali na. Wala, ayaw niyang magpagising ba? Baby girl, wake up na tanak. Hapon naman. Naunsa na pagka matulog unya oras. Mamali. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, my little princess. You don't want to get up? Hari na lang yun sa mama.
Mommy.
Hello. Hi, princess. Ito siya kodol sa mama. Apo, agoy. Kato sa mama. Say hi, everyone. Na. Look, dili mag-hi, friends.
Hello, Baba. Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey. Give the neck kiss.
Kiss daddy.
Daddy is cooking dinner.
You might notice it a little bit, but you don't see any drastic changes. I'll never forget. I have one of the testimonies on my website. I think it's on my website.
Hi, friends, first.
No.
Say hi, friends.
No.
Ala, didi dayon man. Say hi, friends.
No.
Hello, Nana. Kakadidi lang niya, guys. Oh. Hi, friends. Ay, what's this one?
Watermelon.
What is it?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Good, good. What's the color of your shirt?
Blue.
Blue? Is it blue? This one? Does it look blue? I think it's green, Anna.
Green.
Yes. Relax lang yan siya, guys, oh. Nanonood pala kami ng, ayan. Fashion videos. Yan talaga ang gusto ni Mommy. What is it na?
Good mother.
Oh. What happened outside?
Good mother.
Sabi ni Paris, guys ba? Look, Mommy, siya yung nakakita. Sabi niya, it's orange outside. Orange nga.
It is my mother.
Yes. See, orange outside. Yes. It's probably from the sunset.
Monster.
Monster? There's no monster, Nak. I think that's just the sunset, Baba. That's why it's orange.
It's Mama arms. Mama monster.
There's no monster, honey girl. It's a sunset. That's why it's orange. No, it's no more orange now. It's better.
It's blue.
Yeah.
It's orange.
Very observant talaga to si Paris, guys.
Sunshine.
Oh, it's still orange, is it?
It's orange sun.
Oh, it's orange sun. It's a sunset, anak. That's why. Tingnan niyo. Oh.
The master is going back.
Going back?
Shop. Master.
The monster?
Master is going to church.
Yeah, there's no monster.
It's not mother. Okay. It's not master.
There's no monster, my love.
It's mama master in the outside.
Yes. There's no monster outside.
See?
Do you want to go outside and have a look? Come. Come. Let's go. Come. Just a quick one, nak. Hala, oh. Hala, hangin, manak. Tingnan niyo, orange.
Oh, orange.
Orange, yes.
I'm seeing it burning to get the color.
Yeah. Say bye, sun. The sun is setting now.
What? What's it?
Yeah.
It's orange.
Yeah, it's gonna be dark real soon. Gonna be dark.
This color there.
Where's the birdie?
Oh, Mama, no. Mommy?
Huh?
I mean, no, Mommy.
Where's the birdie?
I mean, no, Mommy.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's orange.
Orange, yeah. Now, have a look. Say, no more orange. It's going to be dark soon.
Oops.
Say bye-bye, sun. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
No, Mama, it's from time.
Yeah, the sun is going to sleep. The moon is gonna come out. Good night, sun. Say good night, sun.
Good night, son.
Oh, very windy. Orange sun, Daddy.
Going back.
Keep on.
It's going back.
Going back.
It's going back.
Daddy's cooking chicken stir fry. Update pala guys, si baby girl ay nakaudo na siya kaninang umaga ba. Ang galing talaga nung medicine from the pharmacy. Parang nag-work talaga siya ng diretsyo ba, nak ba? No more bobo in the tummy, nak? Ha? Umiri siya kaninang umaga. Ano talaga? Twice. Nak, no? No more. Ayun, no. Don't open the tummy. No? No more bobo in the tummy? No more. Good girl. Good girl kaya nag-inom kag tambal, nak ba? Jeez, big girl naman kaya. What's that one? Guys, dito kami ngayon sa beauty room. Kasi maglilinis kami dito. Ang ating anak ay yan, oh.
Go down.
Nakapatong na naman. Hilagi ka na siya saka-saka. Tagak bitaw, bukulan yun ding bata ba? Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
See?
I'm jumping.
Are you jumping?
Keep jumping.
Say, how are you tonight?
No, my shut up.
Up.
Shut up. Shut up.
Oh, you want Mama to stand up?
Okay.
Why?
My shut up. Shut up, Mommy.
Oh, stand up, Mommy.
I'm jumping.
Wow! Maglinis muna kami dito, guys. Yes, anak?
I did mine.
Ala, ayaw pakita, anak.
For Daddy.
Uy, that's not for Daddy. It's Mommy. Uy, for kuan mo yung pampers ni Mommy. Don't show sa camera na kay maulaw talaga.
No, it's mine.
No, it's not yours, baby. It's Mommy's. It's Mommy's. Anyways, guys, it's now 7:30 pala ng gabi. And
Go, Mommy.
oh, yes, Baba. Put it down, honey. 7:30 na pala ng gabi. And ngayon ay maglilinis nga kami dito. And then, we'll get ready for bed kasi bukas ay Monday. May trabaho na naman si ate. At saka sa kuya nyo. Anyways, maraming salamat guys. As always, sa palagi nyong panonood sa aming mga videos. Maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. Welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung pagstay nyo sa bahay natin. At sana hindi nyo kami iwan. Purple. Okay, put makeup on mommy. Thank you, honey. Thank you. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out, guys. And the first... Wait! Ano ko? And the first shout out goes to Glenda de la Cruz, Lisan Bansil, Bashash Vlogs, Chari Salazar, and also shout out may nagme-makeup sa akin habang nagsha-shout out tayo. Shout out daw kay Alexa Suganob and to all Silainon City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Rose Lumeran, Susan Cos, Ruth Morales, and to her 3 kids na si John, SJ, and Queenie from Siargao. Are you beautiful? Are you beautiful? Say hi here, B. Say hi here in the camera. Say I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Good girl. Shout out to Princess Montemayor, Alex Mia Rams, Marivic Valcorza, Marlene Aquino, Lovely Ethel, Joanne Owano, Dicelyn Beltran. Pakinggan niyo siya guys, kanyang kanta.
You know so many. Mind concern. Mommy train.
Okay, move on na tayo sa ating pag-shout out guys. Shout out to Belen in Australia, Gulda Ibanez, Jamel Balmonte, Redeliza Aporillo, Lota Berser, Eleanor Tanutan, Irene Banas, Myla Betasolo, Daya Magallanes, Rosemary Romar. Pakigdungan lagi na siya na ga-shout out si mama. Are you done na? Shout out to Leonisa Malone, Myla Villasaran, Janet Gordon, Jay Cruz, Rizal Lynn Bautista, DC My Channel, Our Life Australia Philippines, Joanna Gambuta, Angel Concepcion, and Yi V.
Mommy, look at this.
Look at this. What's that?
It's Bibi.
It's Bibi. Is that Bibi?
Hi, Mommy.
But that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye. Touch.
touch. Good girl.